everyone. It's Sunday morning about 9:30, and this is the back of my house. This is the softball field right behind my property. And sadly, for those of you who've walked dogs in the walking path, this is the walking path. It's getting really creepy because we're next. This is my neighbor's house, and the water's coming into his yard. And then probably into the basement, and we're next. I know it could be worse. Much worse. My dogs made it out okay, and I'm so grateful for that. So if I get water, that's nothing compared to what could have happened. My fence is okay. I'm okay.